image is completely dry, so we're now ready for the next step. So what I'm going to do is I have this stamp set here. It just has some text all over it, and I'm inking it with antique linen distress ink, and it's a really, really pale color. What I'm trying to do with this is I'm just adding some texture to the background. So you don't have to have this exact stamp set. You could use music, you could use just a light texture in the back. It's gonna make it so it's not quite so plain. So once I have that one stamped, I'm taking my Jumbo Dauber and my Gathered Twigs ink, and I'm just lightly inking the edges just to give it a little bit of shadow there. There we go. I'll take my card base, and this particular one, I have some gold cardstock that I'm going to use for the mat. And the reason I did that is because we have a gold ribbon here that we're going to add a bow with, and then we also are going to use a clear Stardust pen just to add some gold shimmer to the first set of berries that we stamped, just to give it a extra little bling right on the card. So gluing the mat down first, and then I'm going to glue my stamped piece. There, take my clear Stardust pen, and you won't even see it on the camera likely. It's just got a really, really subtle gold shimmer to it. I need to warm up this pen a little bit. It's not doing it. So I'll show you the sample here. So you see how when I turn it in the light, how you get a little bit of shimmer there? That's what that pen does. And oh, I know why. I'm using my empty pen instead of my full pen. That's gonna make a ton of difference there. There we go. You could do all of the berries if you want, but I kind of wanted to keep the focus on that center stem. So I only did the berries there. So there we go. That's much better. So now you can see the shimmer on there. Let's toss that pen away so I don't mix them up again. Now you're going to tie a bow. And then cut the extra bits off. And I always cut my ribbons at an angle because I just think it looks better. I'm going to use a little bit of my Distress Collage Medium to glue it in place. Now because it's a liquid glue, it's going to take a few minutes for it to dry. So I've got it stuck on there, and then I'm going to set it aside to dry. But this card is completely done. So a nice simple card, but it's got some bling and texture to it. So we'll see you in the next one, and we are going to do the Christmas tree card.